Welcome back to another Cottage Life DIY video. I'm Adam, and today I'm going to show you how to hide those ugly screw heads in your project by using a simple tool called a plug cutter. So you're building a nice project this time and you want to hide that screw head. Well, all you're going to need is a countersink bit, a plug cutter, and a small chisel or a flush cut saw. Once you've determined where your screw is going to go, pre-drill your hole to prevent your wood from cracking or splitting. Use a countersink bit or a countersink drill bit like this one that's the same size as your plug cutter. Now, if you don't have a drill press, you can always make a quick jig for your plug cutter to travel through. Or I find starting the drill before I touch the wood prevents it from jumping around. Now, snap your plugs out, screw your wood together, and then add a dab of wood glue to hold your plug in position. Be sure to align the grain of the plug to your project. Matching the plug wood to your project will give you a close to seamless finish. But if you like this look, choose a different color wood for your plug. Use a chisel or a flush cut saw to chip off any extra wood before sanding it smooth. So for your next project, grab yourself a plug cutter and give that wood a nice clean finish. If you've got a tip you want to see me try or a build you want to see me do, submit it below. Until next time, keep on cottaging.